Last episode, we hiked around the island of Bequia and snorkeled near Princess Margaret Beach before we set sail to Mustique and ended the night at Basil's Bar. Okay, here on Mustique Island. Good morning. Hey, how you doing? Mustique Island here.
Hello.
I think it's our fourth day, full day on the boat. It's New Year's Eve. Mustique Island is kind of the playground of rich and famous. Originally owned by one developer, then it was purchased back from that developer from all the homeowners to keep the island in its pristine condition. Now we got stopped by the security earlier because I had the camera out, but wanted to finish my conversation about Mustique. It's probably the fourth or fifth island down on the chain of the Grenadines south of St. Vincent.
Mustique is a beautiful island along the chain of the Grenadines, but there's definitely a change of feel about the island from Bequia to here. Lots of security everywhere, so you don't disturb the wealthy people. And then a beautiful bay for all of us sailboats to come in, and a nice little bar we went to last night called Basil's.
Steve picks us up from the dock and we set sail. 20 nautical miles to the beautiful Tobago Cays.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
What do you got?
I have a bunch of military words in here. So we left Mustique and we're headed to Tobago Cays, and this is how we pass time on the cruise, the 2-hour cruise. Here's some trivia for you. What 2 states are touched by 8 states? There's only 2 in the United States that are touched by 8 states. Do you know which ones they are?
Texas?
Nope.
California.
Have you had a geography class at all?
No! Okay.
It's Missouri and Tennessee.
Dang it, Mom.
Hey, we're just coming round the south-west point of the island of Catamaran, heading ahead to the islands of the Tobago Cays. We're going to be there in about half an hour, anchor up and enjoy paradise. Just sailing on Genoa, running downwind. We're doing 8 knots and we're fishing, trying to catch lunch.
'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun-land. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
We are at Tobago Cays. Beautiful.
As soon as we got the anchor set, I was eager to get some drone footage of this incredible water. Then we dove in for some snorkeling.
adored blue moon. I'm having a very stressful day today, as you can tell.
We purchased some lobster to cook the following day from local fishermen. And we buy some t-shirts. We're now here at Tobago Cays. It's just incredible. We did some snorkeling. From this angle you can't see the incredible turquoise water, but in the drone footage you can definitely see it, which is awesome. Getting ready for New Year's Eve dinner, and then we're hoping to see some fireworks that are going to be set off right behind our boat.
It was a good year, really good year. We did some pretty interesting stuff. I went to new camps. I changed my attitude. Mom, what did you do?
2016 was they're all good years.
Are you sure?
Except maybe for one incident that happened in November in 2016. But other than that, it was a very good year.
Wow, Mom, way to be subtle.
What is in this dark and stormy?
In a dark and stormy, you have a little bit of rum, you have Angostura bitters and ginger beer and a squeeze of lime and lots of ice.
And what did you say the key was?
Angostura bitters, just a couple of drops.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Name 3 places you leave your keys. Ready, go.
In the car, in your house, and in your pocket purse.
Good. Okay, Josh. Name 3 places to put money. Ready, go.
Bank, sock drawer, under your bed, under your mattress.
Well, now people know where your money is. There's a huge bottle of Coca-Cola in there.
This is our idea of a Persian evening. We've got fantastically spiced lamb that's been marinated for 24 hours. We've got beautiful roasted vegetables. We've got like a tabbouleh. We've got wonderful garlic pita bread. We've got homemade tzatziki, and we've got hummus and plain couscous.
Oh. Wow.
Happy New Year's Eve meal.
Happy New Year's Eve meal. This is amazing.
2017.
It's all positive.
It is. You just got to have good vibes. Be good, nice.
It's gonna be good.
I think the more, I try and spread a bit of happiness and be good, and hopefully it will spread. Ready?
Yeah!
What time is it?
It is, let's see, what time is it, sir?
There's 2 minutes to go.
2 minutes to go until 12 o'clock, until the new year. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
I just want to say to a beautiful couple, a very happy 2017.